Hello guys, welcome to my another video. This is Arch, your host, and you're watching me on Russell Brothers. So in this particular video, I am going to talk about the list of superstar that WWE has released today. Also, the return of Aleister Black has been planned, and why Roman Reigns is still the Universal Champion. The secret reason is been revealed. So stay tuned. Interesting news has been coming up. Okay, so first thing is that WWE has come to the terms and conditions to release 10 superstars. So the list is long. So it contains Billy Kay, Peyton Royce, Mickie James, Chelsea Green, Tucker, Kalisto, Mojo Rawley, Bo Dallas, and Wesley Black. So these are the 9 superstars that WWE has released, and the 10th superstar is none other than our very favorite Samoa Joe. So I was really surprised looking at Samoa Joe's name in this list because he is a former NXT champion, former United States champion. He has some great rivalries with players like Brock Lesnar, AJ Styles, Roman Reigns. So he has delivered some great moments for us in his WWE career. So I was really surprised when his name is on the list. So recently he's been doing he's been sitting as the member of the Raw commentary team. He was also the commentator on WrestleMania 37. But the reason why Samoa Joe has been released because he has been cleared for wrestling, but WWE has not been letting him to wrestle. So this led Samoa Joe to get released from WWE, and I think he will have a great future because Samoa Joe is a kind of a player who is very injury prone. Even if he shoots for commercial, he gets injured. So this is the reason WWE don't want to take risk and bring him back into the wrestling ring. So Samoa Joe has asked for his release, and he's been released from WWE. That's what I believe that has happened. So I think I am hoping that Samoa Joe will go into another wrestling company and will have a great wrestling future. Okay, now the next news is about Aleister Black. So I was pretty surprised when I haven't seen Aleister Black name in that 10 superstar who's been released, but it's good that WWE has kept the gem in their pocket because Aleister Black is a gem because he is a former NXT champion. He hasn't had that much kind of a success in the main roster, but I like Aleister Black. The way he wrestles, everything has been clearly good. So recently WWE has been planning a return for Aleister Black, and there has been shooting a teaser for his return. So it's a big thing because whenever any superstar returns, WWE always shoots a teaser, and that's what they're doing with Aleister Black. So Aleister Black has been drafted to SmackDown on the last draft. So maybe he will return to SmackDown. Let's see when he returns or when his return teaser comes up. So pretty much excited for Aleister Black because I think now he will get some recognition on the main roster. Okay, now the last news is about Roman Reigns still being the Universal Champion. So there are some secret reasons that have been revealed. The first reason is that Roman Reigns is not a part-timer. So if I look at age is kind of a part-timer. He's a former Hall of Famer. He has grown a bit aged right now. He cannot be on every SmackDown. He cannot be on every pay-per-view. So this is the reason WWE has decided not to go with age. Also, if I look at Daniel O'Brien, I think Daniel O'Brien hasn't have many time left in his career. So WWE has a clear choice for the winner, that is Roman Reigns. So we all got surprised when Roman Reigns pinned both Bryan and Edge at the same time to win the title or to retain the title. So this is the reason that Roman Reigns can show up on every show, can show up on every pay-per-view. So that is why he is the champion. And another reason that's also been coming up is that because his character. So the way Roman Reigns has portrayed his heel character, that is fantastic. The way he has cuts the promo, he is coming to the ring and acknowledge him. He is the head of the table. He is the tribal chief. So this is the reason why Roman Reigns is still the champion. So imagine Roman Reigns' character, Roman Reigns coming to the ring without the championship, and he's telling to the SmackDown roster that acknowledge me, I am the head of the table. So that doesn't make sense. So championship on Roman's shoulder is the perfect fit for this character. So this is the reason Roman Reigns is still the champion, and the audience and the fans and everybody loves his heel character. This gets really popular, so this is the reason WWE has decided to go with Roman Reigns. And also, if Roman Reigns doesn't lose the title at WrestleMania 37, it's quite impossible that he will lose the title in this kind of minor pay-per-views like WrestleMania Backlash, like Money in the Bank, Clash of Champions, etc. So it's a big thing that Roman Reigns, this title reign can be a bit long, and he can lose the title either at SummerSlam or at WrestleMania. So at next WrestleMania. So this means that this time Roman Reigns will lose the title in a major pay-per-view, not in a minor pay-per-view. So let's see what happens on tomorrow's SmackDown also. So I'm pretty much excited because Roman Reigns is still the champion. His heel character will be more overpowered this time. So I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.